In 3, 2, 1. Dos oruguitas enamoradas pasan sus noches y madrugadas llenas de hambre. Siguen andando y navegando un mundo que cambia, sigue cambiando. Navegando un mundo que cambia, sigue cambiando. Dos oruguitas paran el viento mientras se abrazan con sentimiento. Siguen creciendo, no saben cuándo buscar algún rincón. El tiempo sigue cambiando, separables son. El tiempo sigue cambiando. Ay, oruguitas, no se aguanten más. Hay que crecer, partir y volver. Hacia adelante seguirás. Vienen milagros, vienen crisálidas. Hay que partir y construir su propio futuro. Ay, oruguitas, no se aguanten más. Hay que crecer y partir y volver. Hacia adelante seguirás. Vienen milagros, vienen crisálidas. Hay que partir y construir su propio futuro. Oh, 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 Dos oruguitas desorientadas en dos capullos bien abrigadas con sueños nuevos. Ya solo falta hacer lo necesario. En el mundo sigue cambiando, tumbando sus paredes. Ahí viene nuestro milagro, nuestro milagro, nuestro milagro. Ay, mariposas, no se aguanten más. Hay que crecer, partir y volver. Hacia adelante seguirás. Ya son milagros, rompiendo crisálidas. Hay que volar a encontrar su propio futuro. Ay, mariposas, no se aguanten más. Hay que crecer, parte, volver. Hacia adelante seguirás. Ya son milagros, rompiendo crisálidas. Hay que volar a encontrar su propio futuro. Ay, mariposas, no se aguanten más. Hay que crecer, parte y volver. Si adelante seguirás. Ya son milagros, rompiendo crisálidas. Hay que volar y encontrar su propio futuro. We did it. What's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for watching this ukulele cover and play along for Dos Oruguitas from the movie Encanto on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure you give a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Also, please double check if you have hit that red subscribe button. If the subscribe button below is red and it says subscribe, click it. It will turn gray. It is free to join. We just recently hit over 100,000 subscribers on this channel, so thank you so much. I really appreciate it. My analytics shows me that over 70% of people that watch my videos and come back and watch more of my videos have not hit that red subscribe button. So please don't be part of that 70%. If you watched a couple of my videos, hit that subscribe button. Again, it is free to join. Also, if you're like, Ricky, what is that beautiful uke that you're playing? This is a tenor-sized Enya ukulele. I'll leave a link down below to solid mahogany uke. Not only is this uke looks amazing, sounds amazing, but it also is amazing for your wallet because it is super affordable. Again, I'll leave a link down below. I'll also leave a link to the concert size version, which is a little bit smaller and also a little bit more cheaper. So if you want to get that uke as well, highly recommend Enya Ukulele. So thank you so much to Enya for making solid, affordable, and amazing looking and sounding ukes. Also, I'll leave a link down below if you do want to support this channel for the merch. Currently wearing the Uke Fam hoodie. We also do have a Patreon where you can download the full PDF chord sheet for this song, which is the full lyrics and chords, and you can download on your computer, laptop, whatever. It is $5 a month. So if you do want to go check Patreon out, I'll leave a link down below as well. And also links to all of my socials. Everything is just at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to add me, friend me, send me a DM, letting me know what video you came from. And yeah, that is pretty much it for me. Thank you so much for watching. Again, please be nice on my Spanish and my accent in Spanish because I'm not great at Spanish. So hopefully I didn't butcher this song. I tried. It took me like a couple hours to get everything down. Anyways, that's it for a different day. Thank you so much for watching. I love ya. I hate to leave ya, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.